Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Kathie's Heart, the place where I share all things near and dear to me. If you're new here, please hit the like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And if you're returning, you know what to do. Now I'm going outside. Don't just sit there. Come on out with me and see what's new today. Whoa, now look at this. This is a mess. It's time for me to get busy. Look, my grandson's shoes over there, out with the old and in with the new. Time to harvest what God has given me in my small balcony garden this year thus far, clean up and prepare for my fall garden. Now I want y'all to know that it was hecka hot out there today, but I just really wanted to get this done. And there they are, ladies and gentlemen, my pride and joy, my tomatoes. There's my cherry tomatoes. And those are my black cherry tomatoes. And yes, they were sweet. Now, as I told you before, I tried growing several different things, but they just didn't make it, folks. It was either too hot or not enough sunshine. But all in all, I'm still happy and satisfied with the things that I did get. I wasn't sure if my watermelon, cantaloupe, and cucumber caught a disease, so I went ahead and I threw that dirt away. My grandson enjoyed helping me harvest our veggies as well. Now those are cute little colorful carrots. They have a minty, delicious taste that you could never get from a grocery store. Now y'all had the easy part. All you had to do was sit there and watch, but this was a lot of work. But I want to thank you for staying and watching all this time. It brings me great joy to share with you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.